In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change the default browsing app on the Samsung Galaxy A15. The first step is to open the Settings app. Then in Settings, scroll and select Apps. In the Apps menu, tap on Choose Default Apps. Then select the option Browser App. Here, you should see a list of all browser apps installed onto your device. If you wish to switch from one to the other, just select that other app and it will automatically become your new browsing app. Your new default browsing app. So, for example, if you're scanning QR codes, when you follow the link for that code, it will automatically open in that default app you've just chosen. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.